Okay, my heart is still pounding. A thing happened. I was going to film a video of me redecorating down here when, I'll show you, underneath this planter was a big brown recluse spider, and I've never in my life seen a brown recluse spider in our house. So I panicked. I thought it was dead, but it wasn't. So I found just some random, I don't know, anything that was a sprayable, and I saturated it, and it was all white, and it was still crawling around. So I had my husband come home. This is what you get for getting old antique pieces from like Barnes and I don't even know, but it freaked me out, so I had him tip over all of our furniture. I moved all of the couches and chairs. This whatever this thing is right here, we tipped it over. Okay, my phone is broadcasting the front door. So yeah, now I guess you can watch me clean all of this mess up. That was so scary, you guys. I'm terrified. Like, I don't know. I feel like maybe we should move. Or maybe I should never bring an old piece in here again. I really don't know. I think it's from our garage. I don't know why there would be a spider in here. But right now I have to go to Sam's Club and get some things because that's where he was going when he was on his way home. But I told him to come home right now because we had to figure out the spider situation. And so he didn't get to go to Sam's. Now he has to do something with the pool. And I guess I'm going to leave this stuff a mess. Go to Sam's and come home and clean it. But I'm sure the sun might have gone down by then. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you in a few. Alright, you guys, I just got back from Sam's Club. The number one thing I get there is my Evian water, and I drink this pretty much, like this is the only beverage that I drink. I'll have a glass of wine some nights, and I don't know, maybe one random drink that doesn't really have much sugar in it, but this is my favorite water. And they canceled the water. They canceled it. They said that other people have been like upset about it and also said that's all they drink. So I don't know if they're gonna get it back. It was like 11 something for I think a box that had 12 of these big 1 liter bottles in it. I think it's like $9 or $10 for a 6-pack of these same bottles at Target. So it was such a good deal. So I'm super bummed. All my water and drinks are still in the back of my vehicle because they're so heavy. I'm gonna have my husband bring them in. I did bring his tea in. But I got Fiji water, and I'm not happy about it. I also got these Flex protein crisps. I've never tried those before, but they're barbecue and buffalo flavored. They're non-GMO, plant-based protein, never fried, 90 calories, and 10 grams of protein per bag. So I thought those would be good to try. And then I got these baked lays because, I don't know, I was desperate. I've been buying the GMO-free chips at Kroger, but they don't have any there at Sam's. And then I got cookies because I've just had a sweet tooth lately and I've been wanting a Sam's cookie. They have the best chocolate chunk cookies. And this is what we're gonna eat tonight since it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, yeah. And we haven't had dinner. Okay. Okay, everything's okay. And my whole room store part down there. Got some tomatoes so I can put on the gyros. Some eggs. My husband and kids are obsessed with these. I don't like them. Yeast rolls, giant bag. A 30-pack of goldfish because my kids just eat those like crazy. Got some more wine, some baked beans, big bag of plums. What else do I got? got a bag of lemons for my water and oranges to snack on. And then this is our favorite lunch meat from Sam's Club. It's the buffalo style chicken breast. It is so good. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Oh my gosh. I hate when I get back from the grocery store and I don't have any room in the fridge. It's like every time, and I don't know if you can see those tulips, but what else? I got some more stuff, and this is my favorite thing because I shop at Sam's all the time, and you can put like all the smaller stuff in this, and it organizes it all in your trunk because I have an SUV, so it's perfect for the space. I got a big container of organic spinach and peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. My kids like those and I love those. We all eat them. Got some peanut butter crackers. And we've never got these before, and they're Golden Grahams treat. I don't know. Golden Grahams s'mores and cinnamon toast. They're like cereal bars. It says they only have 8 grams of sugar and only 100 calories, so I don't know. These are grilled chicken breast strips. These come in so handy for so many different meals. They're already cooked. You just have to put them in whatever you're cooking. My kids love these. They're Jimmy Dean pancakes and sausage corn dogs. And then I got a big thing of ground beef so I can make some dinners that are easy with meat in them. And that's it. I've got a big case of Gatorade and 2 cases of Ice Mountain, the little ones and the big ones, and a case of Fiji in the back of my vehicle. I don't know what else is back there. It was too heavy for me to carry, so I'm gonna start putting this away, and then we're gonna eat, and then I guess if I still have energy, I'm gonna tackle that disaster down there. If you remember, okay, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this away, and we'll see you in the mess.
Okay, I know that was crazy, but I've never really seen a spider in our house, especially not a scary one like that. So I just freaked out and I started tipping over all of the furniture because I wanted to make sure that there was not some kind of spider infestation or something, and I wanted to check under every single piece of furniture, under all of the cushions, and get everything cleaned. It just made me feel so much better to take everything out of every nook and cranny and make sure there were no more spiders. And luckily, I did not see any other spiders while cleaning, so hopefully it was just one that snuck in somehow. There was a box that has been in our garage, which needs some serious help, but that's besides the point. And I had brought it in. It contains the handle to our door that we need to put on, and it's been out there for over a year, and I'm thinking that there could have been a spider hiding in that box. I really don't know. You never know. You bring things in and out from outside. Sometimes I'll bring like our pool floats in if it's really windy, but I doubt it would be on that. But you just never know. So I just had to check that there were no spiders living in our house.
The things that we'll do, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark
So those cushions I brought in from outside because our Boston Terrier chewed up one of the cushions and we had to get a new set of cushions. And that's our third set this summer. He didn't chew up the first set. I just didn't like the first set. And I got the second set and he chewed one up. But I think it was because it was a weird material. But we got another set. And I'm so paranoid here that I am vacuuming out all of the shoes that were sitting there just to make sure. Because I am really afraid of spiders.
rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Now, if you'll notice, the floral painting that is right there is the one that I am going to be hanging up. And the music note, Amazing Grace one, is the one that I'm taking down. I really do love that, but I've had it up for about a year, and I don't know, I just get the itch to change things, and I bought that beautiful painting, and I needed a place for it, so we're changing it up today. And then I will have to take the Amazing Grace one to my storage unit.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others, meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell if I keep feeling like I'm missing something. Don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in.
Guys, I don't know what time it is here, but it was late. I mean, it was probably getting close to midnight, and I was just finally getting the room just put back to normal. And my husband came down right before bed to hang my painting, which he ended up just hanging it on the nails that was already in the wall, and I was like, what? I wasn't too pleased with that. So if you notice, it's a little crooked, so I got the tape measure out and was measuring to let him know that it was crooked, but he ended up getting it straightened up, and I think it looks really good there, and I'm so happy with this painting. It is just so beautiful. I know this was a little crazy that I just tore the whole room apart, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do to make yourself feel better. And thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Tell me, what do you have in mind?